Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. And in this video we'll be learning how to sew a satin skirt. So for this project I'll be using a 2 yards satin fabric and an invisible zipper. I first folded my fabric on a bias, as you can see, and the 2 folded sides is going to be the middle point for the front and the back, because the zipper is going to be at the sides. So with the measurement, I put in my waist measurement, my hip measurement, and the skirt length measurement. My waist measurement is 28, and 28 divided by 4 is 7. So I added 1 inch for side seam allowance, and my hip depth is also 10 inches. So I measured downwards 10 inches, and that's where I put the hip measurement, which is 40, and 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. Plus 1 inch side seam allowance, making 11 inches. And the length of the skirt with hem allowance included is 29.5, because I did not want mine to be that long. Then I used my curve to connect the waist and the hip measurement together. So basically the skirt is an A-line skirt, but in order to get that flowy look at the bottom, you have to cut the fabric on a bias. So after cutting the skirt out, I placed it on a folded side of the remaining fabric, and I cut out a yoke for the skirt, and the width of the yoke is 3 inches, and you can decide to make it longer or shorter. Here I have joined the 2 pieces of the skirt together with their yokes, and as you can see, I used a coat sleeve as the fusible for the yoke in order for it to lay flat and inside the skirt. And I also fixed in my invisible zipper at the sides. So what's left to do now is sew the hem of the skirt. Here I have already sewn the first part of the hem, and I'll trim off the excess part, and then I'll also fold it again and sew. So this is how the hem looks after I sewed the second stitch, and you can see how neat it looks. So this brings us to the end of this video, and thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.